What we want to do is adjust the dial constantly throughout our entire training session and competition to help the dog maintain that optimal temperature, that optimal window of arousal. In order to do that, you have to learn to read your dog, right? Not my dog, not somebody else's dog, your dog. So you need to learn and figure out, what does your dog look like when they're over aroused, right? So the key here is to help the dog be right, rather than let the dog move out of position and then adjust them back in position. Just help them be right until it's a motor pattern. So I'm also going to work in motion, and initially I'll help them. So I'm telling her there to bounce. You can tell the dog to bounce and tap your hip so your dog stays in position, right? You want to help your dog. So spin, I touched my hip to remind her to end up in position. Spin, I'm touching my hip so she ends up in position, and I'm going to reinforce every time until it's a motor pattern. Calming does not do that. It doesn't decrease drive down to where the dog is flat. It actually channels it into the work, and you're going to get more focus, more animation and speed, and more intensity. So he bounced there. I was like, that's not what I want. Chin, quiet feet, chin. I moved my hand. He bounced. I don't want that. So I faded my hand just a tiny bit. Yes, feed.